All right, in this video, I'm gonna compare 3 fans side by side. These all get really good reviews. The one on the left here is the Vornado. This is the Vornado 293. It's a 16-inch fan. The other two are 20-inch fans. This one's made by a company called BILT. This one, maybe I should let you see it there, hykolity. I'm gonna say hykolity. So let's go over these real quick to tell you some of the difference between them. Let's start with the two 20-inch fans. Assembly is super easy on all of these. You're basically just attaching the legs is generally all that's involved with them. They all have 3 speeds on them. The BILT is 4650 CFM. That's a measure that's used to tell you how much wind they're moving. Hykolity is 4600, so just slightly less. I will turn them on so you can hear the noise level on them as well. Both of these can be adjusted up and down. Both of them can be mounted on the wall. One thing I don't love about them mounting on the wall is the control on them is on the back of both of them, and there's no remote control or anything like that. So the wall mount option is not something that I particularly love. I just rather have them on the ground. But again, you can tilt them up and down to aim which way you want. The Vornado is a 16-inch fan. One of the things I really like about it is the quality of the construction. So this is a metal base here that's real wide and stable. Honestly, looks superior in quality to the other two, but it is 16 inches where these are 20 inches. But it definitely puts out some wind, but again, not quite as big of an area, more direct with a smaller fan there. But quality construction is great. Other thing I like about the Vornado is it does come with a 5-year satisfaction guarantee warranty, which is great. The Vornado is made in the USA. So let's turn them on and let you hear them. All 3 of them I'm going on high speed. Sometimes on the video it looks like the fan's not spinning that fast, but trust me, they are. So you can hear that high speed right there, and it's definitely putting out some wind, and the noise level is very reasonable in my opinion. So again, I think with this you're getting a great warranty, you're getting quality construction, but in a 16-inch model, and it's quiet and powerful. So the BILT, let's turn it on high. Again, they all have 3 speeds. So you hear that, it's going to be a little bit louder than the Vornado, but I don't consider that to be loud. I think that's very reasonable for the power you're getting. So a wider amount of volume. And then lastly, we'll turn on the hykolity. And actually, I tell you, just sitting here listening to them, I'm going to give this one a slight edge over the BILT as far as noise level goes. Now, the BILT was just ever so slightly more air, 4650 compared to 4600, but this one does seem to operate a little quieter. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful in showing you the differences on these 3 popular fans.